Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, March 8th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is the wife of a king. And number 2 is a grammar word, any. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is a queen. Jennifer is a queen. Queen. She is a woman in a royal family. Now we can make a flashcard for queen. These words are in a group. Queen, king, princess, prince. Please make a flashcard like this. Up in the top left corner, queen, Q-U-E-E-N. Down here in the bottom left corner, P-E-O-1. This means people, level 1. Over here in the bottom right corner, the number 57 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. E, E, queen, queen. What about you? Are you a queen? Let me know in the comments. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. There isn't any water in the cup. There isn't any water in the cup. Any. A-N-Y. There isn't any water in the cup. This is a grammar word with no real meaning. For the positive, please repeat, there is some water in the cup. But for the negative, we say there isn't any. It is equal to this. We also use any in a question, like this. We say, does Bob have any money? Again, it has no meaning, but we use any very much. Now let's make a card for any. Please write any up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. Over here the number 13 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. N. E, any. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned Jennifer is a famous queen. Very good. And Bob doesn't have any money. Correct. And if you're high level, level 2 words, today the music is coming from the speaker. Very good. Jennifer is not sleeping. She is awake. Excellent. And the last one, to turn something down. To turn the volume down. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.